Imagine waking up to ocean waves in Bali, sipping coffee in Paris, or watching the sunrise in Tokyo, all while trading stocks from your laptop. With day trading stocks, a path to financial freedom, you'll learn exactly how to make that dream a reality. This powerful guide teaches you how to trade confidently from anywhere. Discover the best tools, setups, and strategies to manage risk, master time zones, and stay profitable while exploring the globe. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced trader, this book shows you how to turn travel into a lifestyle of freedom and financial independence. If you order Day Trading Stocks, A Path to Financial Freedom today for $49, you'll also receive 21 financial books free, valued at over $200 to help build wealth for your family and business. Visit wmfinancialinfo.com and get your copy of Day Trading Stocks, A Path to Financial Freedom today. Follow our page and subscribe for more expert guides, business tips, and financial success strategies only on wmfinancialinfo.com.